Welcome to this Excel tutorial. We're unraveling the intricacies of counting case-sensitive cells. Join us as we delve into two powerful methods, one leveraging the SUMPRODUCT function for a formulaic approach, and the other harnessing VBA magic with a user-defined function. Let's dive right in. Our first method capitalizes on the brilliance of Excel formulas, specifically the SUMPRODUCT function, to count case-sensitive cells. You may use a formula depending on the is number and find functions and the SUMPRODUCT function to calculate the number of cells that contain specified text, taking into consideration upper and lower case. Let's see how it's done. In a cell, input the formula. Adjust the range, A1, A6, and the target text as needed. Press Enter, and witness the formula tallying case-sensitive occurrences. In this example, the purpose is to count the number of times each code appears as a substring in a case-sensitive manner, as shown below. When calculating text values, the functions COUNTIF and COUNTIFs are excellent choices. However, since these functions are not case-sensitive, they cannot be utilized to address this issue. To check for substrings, the FIND function should be used in conjunction with the isNumber function, and the SUMPRODUCT function should be used to sum up. Now, let's explore our second method, a journey into VBA magic with a user-defined function designed for precise case-sensitive cell counting. Let's dive into the steps. Press Alt plus F11 to open the Visual Basic for Applications, VBA, editor. In the editor, go to Insert, Module to add a new module. Copy and paste the provided VBA code into the module. Close the VBA editor. Return to your Excel workbook. In a cell, type the formula equals count case sensitive A1, A6, C1. Adjust the range and target text accordingly. Press Enter, and witness the user-defined function counting case-sensitive occurrences. By mastering these two methods, you gain the prowess to count case-sensitive cells with precision. Stay tuned for more Excel insights. And don't forget to subscribe for future tips. Share this newfound knowledge with your peers. Thanks for watching.